Let us continue working on the strainer. So I'll just move to the individual window rather than working in assembly. Now I'll be just removing the central material which is in the strainer. So I'll just go to the front view for now. Click on revolve and just select the corner rectangle. I'll remove material so that this distance is 0.1. Add a center line. Press OK and remove the material. Now from the base I'll be adding another revolve. Alright. Which kind of creates this shape. Just try to offset this by 0.1. And 0.1 from both the sides. Try to make it as a closed loop. Alright, now I'll just cut from center because I'm just revolving it, so I need it to one side of the region. Add the center line. Press OK. Your revolve is done. Now from the top I'll be adding a single extrude at first, maybe a diameter of 0.15 or 0.2, and press OK. Well, I'll just try to change the plane to bring it more closer to the strainer, and on this plane I'll be trying to extrude. I mean, it's fine, we can extrude from any plane, but I'm just trying to bring it closer, and I'll just try to remove the material. Now I'll select this extrude, go to pattern, I'll go to fill pattern, references, define the sketch, select this plane, click on sketch, align the view. I want the holes to be under this circle, and I'll just press OK, and after that I'll just press circle. The strainer is ready. Let's go back to our assembly and see how does it look like. Wow, it looks really wonderful. If you want, we can just core out this region as well for having, you know, uniform material thickness. Just go to revolve, and you know, from the firstly I'll designate this as designate as axis of revolution, and you know, keep this distances as 0.1, and I'll just remove the material, and I'll just save it. Come back to the assembly, and it looks something like this. Turn off the section view. Strainer looks like this. Now we can just work on adding the cap. I'll just save it. Let's move to the next video.